Central Vigilance Commission has written to the CBI to expand the scope of the Coalgate scam, to expand the scope of its investigation into the allocation of coal blocks and the irregularities in allocation of coal blocks. Headlines today learns that the CBI has received a letter from the CVC to broaden the investigation in the Coalgate scam. The CVC wants that the CBI includes all the coal blocks allocated since 1993. The CBI is already in possession of this letter, which means that the scope of the investigation will now broaden. Atir Khan joins us on the phone line, which means basically, Atir, that even the coal block allocations done in the NDA regime are now going to be probed.
Well, that's right, Padmaja. We have a confirmation from CBI now that they have received the CVC's recommendation saying that the coal block allocation since 1993 should be inquired into, which means that, as you rightly pointed out, that the blocks which are allocated during NDA's regime will also be inquired into, they'll be probed as well.
What does this mean for the NDA and the earlier reports that had come in on how certain rules weren't followed even when the BJP was in power, Atir?
Well, that's right. We know that the UPA, we know specifically the Congress leaders had met the CVC, Central Vigilance Commissioner, and had pointed out that the coal allocation should be inquired into since, much earlier and not just since 2006. Therefore, this recommendation has been now forwarded since the allegations were leveled. The CBI is going to probe all the allegations since 1993 and will arrive to a conclusion.
All right, Atir, also tell us about where the investigations stand at this moment vis-a-vis the Coalgate scam and how this is going to change what the CBI has done all this while.
Well, we know, Padmaja, so far the CBI had initially registered 5 cases. Thereafter, a few more cases have also been registered. But at the moment, they are at the stage of interrogating the people who are suspected to be hand in glove in this scam. However, the CBI is not opening its cards at the moment, and they are, sort of calling all the suspects repeatedly for questioning. No arrest has been made in the coal block allocation scam so far.
And does this also mean that ministers in the NDA cabinet could be questioned?
Of course, we know that some very important leaders are under CBI scanner, which will be looked into. Their role will be looked into in terms of allocation of coal blocks. So obviously, when the coal block allocation in 1993 will be inquired into, the NDA leaders will also come under scanner.
All right, for viewers who are just joining in, this is the big story of the moment. The Central Vigilance Commission, the CVC, has written to the CBI asking it to broaden the ambit of its probe into the coal block allocations and the irregularities therein. The letter which has reached the CBI mentions that the investigating agency should probe all the coal blocks that were allocated ever since 1993. Atir Khan has been getting us the latest on this. Atir, what more are your sources within the CBI telling you about this directive of the CVC? Alright, this is going to be trouble for the NDA. The Congress, of course, remember, has been insisting all this while that there were irregularities in the allocation of coal blocks even when the NDA was in power, and now boosting that allegation. The CVC has written to the CBI saying that all the allocations made ever since 1993 should be put under a scanner. They should be investigated by the CBI, giving rise to the possibility that ministers in the NDA cabinet, senior functionaries of the BJP may be called in for questioning by the CBI in the allocation of coal blocks, which has since then come to be called as the Coalgate scam. The Central Vigilance Commission has already written to the CBI in this regard, and that letter is in possession of the CBI.